Stop struggling. Whoever told you struggling is important for success, they lied. We grew up watching heroes fight big monsters, so we started to believe that to achieve anything worthwhile, you must beat big monsters. And that's where the whole struggle narrative comes from. But here's something nobody told you: the biggest monster you will ever fight won't even feel like a monster. These monsters, they are usually hiding in the shadows of boredom, repetition, procrastination, or maybe the most dangerous of all, the simple idea that someday you will have it all figured out. And can I tell you something about that someday? You can never find it in the future, but you will always regret it in the past. So please don't delay it any further. Do whatever you are supposed to do, and your pursuit of perfection and the struggle won't be necessary. Only momentum. Make the choice now.